everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, oranges are loaded with vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to clear the skin from hyperpigmentation such as dark spots and blemishes. Not only that, vitamin C helps to boost the collagen production in the skin and will have your skin look bright, radiant and glowing. Now, when you take an orange and you peel the orange, what people normally do, they normally eat the fruit or use it for their drinks or whatever it is that they like to do with oranges, and they normally toss the peel. However, the peel of the orange is amazing for your skin, and it is also used in many skincare products for its vitamin C properties. Not only the vitamin C properties, but for its amazing orange oil, which is loaded with antioxidants that can help to brighten that skin, firm the skin, and boost the collagen production in the skin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make your own orange peel powder at home. I'm also going to show you an awesome recipe that you can use your orange peel powder in to brighten, lighten, exfoliate, and get rid of the dead skin cell on your skin in no time. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Now take a look at what I have here up close. This is dried orange peel, and let me put some in my hands for you to see. This dried orange peel powder. Now, dried orange peel powder is great for the skin. It has a lot of benefit that will help your skin. It helps to lighten and tone your skin since it contains a very important antioxidant called vitamin C. Now, it also helps to unclog your pores. It helps to treat pimples and acne. It also helps to remove scars from your skin. It has anti-aging properties. It helps to fight against aging. It tones your skin, and it also helps to reduce inflammation. Now, the fact that the dried orange peel have so many benefits, how do you get dried orange peel? It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and this is something that you all should have and use, especially in your homemade remedies to help your skin. Really an amazing ingredient. So I'm going to show you today how to make your own dried orange peel powder. Now here I have an orange. Normally when I buy orange, I like to wash the orange. So what I'm going to do, I am going to pour some vinegar in this bowl. Pour some white vinegar, and next I'm going to pour some water and pour some water in it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my orange in the vinegar water. Now once you have your vinegar water, you put your orange in it and you soak it. I like to soak it for about 2 to 3 hours, and then when I go, I just wash it thoroughly. Just wash it thoroughly and then rinse off with fresh water, and your orange is now ready. Now after washing my orange, here it is. So what I like to do, I like to just let it sit there and dry, or I just take a paper towel and just dry my orange like this. Now that it is dried, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to peel the orange. Now, I like to peel an orange and I like to make long strip with it. If you cannot peel it like this, just peel it however you are accustomed to peeling it. So peel your orange completely. And you can smell the nice fragrance coming from this orange peel. So peel your orange. Now once the orange is peeled, here you have the peel. And what do you do with this part of the orange? You cut it open like this. You juice it. You use it on your face. You eat it. And this one is very sweet. So now that you have your orange peel, the next step to making your dry orange peel powder, guess what? You're gonna get a brown paper bag, and any brown paper bag will do. And you're simply gonna open the brown paper bag like this. You're gonna take your orange peel, place it in the brown paper bag. Close it and put it away in your pantry in a dark area for about 2 weeks. Now after 2 weeks, you're gonna go back and you're gonna take out your bag, and here I have mine in a bag. I do a lot, so I have a lot, and this is what they're gonna look like. There you have them, dried orange peel. So once you have your dried orange peel, you can keep them in that brown paper bag for well up to a year. It's going to be just good. You can also choose to keep them in a cool area after that. Keep them in the brown paper bag and put them in your refrigerator, just as good. Now to make your dry orange peel powder, you're going to need a blender. So we're just going to put the dried orange peel in the blender like this. We're just going to cover, and you're just going to blend. And take a look at this. This is your dried orange peel powder. Blend completely to a powder. Pour it in my hands like this for you to see. Here you have dried orange peel powder. Now, to store this, you're going to use a glass jar preferably, and make sure that you have a glass jar with a tight cover. Let's pour it in, and the fragrance from this is amazing. And there you have it. And now use this to make your homemade facial. Add it to your body scrub, your facial scrub, your facial mask. Also add it to your facial moisturizer. It doesn't matter. Just use it as best as you can. Now I'm going to share with you a quick and easy recipe to use up your dried orange peel. It's a brightening facial scrub. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of the dried orange peel powder. I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm going to use 1 tea bag, and this is green tea, and I'm pouring that in. I'm going to mix the 3 dry ingredients together. Just blend well. And next, for some grapeseed oil, you can choose to use either coconut oil or olive oil. Just use oil of your choice. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to the mix. And we're going to blend it in. Slowly blend it in. If it's too dry, you can choose to add a little more to it. Like mine is a little dry. And I'm using the grapeseed oil because it's a very light oil. It will not clog the pores. So if you have oily skin, this is just as good. And here I have a quick and easy brightening facial scrub that's going to exfoliate your skin and get rid of all the dead skin cells. And the vitamin C from the dried orange peel is going to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. The green tea is going to help to fight wrinkles and fine lines. And the brown sugar is going to get rid of the dead skin cells. An amazing, quick and easy facial scrub. Now to use the facial scrub, just take a little and just use it to exfoliate your face, your neck, your décolleté. As a matter of fact, you can use this facial scrub in the shower all over your entire body. You rinse off and reveal clear, bright, radiant skin. There you have it, how to make your dried orange peel powder to use in your homemade skincare remedies. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and leave your comments. And also, guys, at the end of the video, there are a few recommendations of other videos that you might be interested in. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.